Looking at exercise 8, review of mixed exercise 8 from the first year core textbook. We're on to 9b. I'm just doing this as a separate video because I made a very silly mistake when I was doing part A. Okay, so we've got n is 8 from part A. So we are expanding 1 plus x over 2 to the power of 8. And they want the coefficient of the x to the 4 term. So I could just go up to x to the 4, but it's going to be quicker if I can just go straight to a specific term. So if you are given the formula, so if we get that up. So generally, if I'm looking for my x term to be to the power of 4, so r is 4, my first part of my coefficient is going to be h, choose 4. Then it's going to be a, which is 1. So to be honest, you don't even need to write the 1, but I'll write it just to have the pattern. And that is going to be to the power of n minus r. So that is going to be to the power of 4, 8 minus 4, and then x over 2 is also going to be to the power of 4. Okay, so that's just quicker than, as all they want is the coefficient of x to the 4, that's obviously just quicker than having to go through the x cubed term, the x squared term. Okay, so then we just got to simplify that. So 8 choose 4 is giving me 70. 1 to the power of 4 obviously is just 1. And then just be really careful. You must have brackets for this part of it because that half is also going to be raised to a power of 4. So when we get rid of the brackets, that becomes x to the 4 over 16. So that is 70 over 16 x to the 4, which does simplify down. But also, always for this type of question, if they ask you for the coefficient, make sure you give that as a separate answer on its own. So don't give the actual x to the 4 term as your final answer, give the coefficient. So that's 70 over 16, or cat cancels down to 35 over 8.